Welcome, this is a short one. Following up from the last video on DWEEB. This is a look at how to run your own BAS file, basic programming language. To do this, you have to download QBASIC.EXE from QBASIC Cafe site. Create a new folder and put it in the game folder with your BAS file. To write the basic code and edit it, you can use Visual Studio Code. There are a number of help guides out there. Note, this is not QB64. That's much more powerful. Also, ASCII Decorator was a good extension to create some nice-looking text. Once you're done with the BAS file, open up DWEEB and go to the directory where you saved it. To run the BAS file, enter QBASIC.EXE and then name of the file. This will open up the editor. You have a number of options to debug and so on. To execute the file, press F5 or click Run and Start from the menu. I leave you with the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Eagle signing out.